Hey guys, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Rachel.
And I'm Emma.
And I'm Cody.
And together we are
Crudge! Okay,
Yeah.
so we decided to make a little interview since this is our first video on YouTube. So the first question, favorite food, mine would be watermelon. Emma?
Your food would be.
Emma.
I like sushi. My favorite food is rice.
And my favorite food is salad. Yeah.
Okay, birthdays, mine's April 30th.
I didn't write mine. February 22nd. Mine is August 29th.
And mine is April 22nd.
And men interest. What are we interested in men?
I am very interested.
Okay.
I'm very interested in tall guys. It just works for me.
Sexy.
Ow, ow. You go. I like hipsters. Faux-hawks. Yeah. Faux-hawks. I like Asians. Psych! I like awkward men. Like Coleman. Everyone get out of the video. I like Coleman. I dedicate this to you.
And
Tell them the menu like.
okay, I like crap. Oh, I like defined backs. They're kind of nice and sexy, and there, and backish. All right.
Okay.
Anyways,
Okay, back. Random fact about ourselves.
No,
Awkward.
Favorite band.
Favorite
Favorite
band.
band. I think
yours.
I think you
is-
should go
I
first.
I think you should go, and then you should go, and then
And
you
you
should go, and then I'll
I-
go.
No, we're going this way.
Let's just go the order we
All right,
went.
go.
Okay, mine is New County. They
Whoa.
are awesome.
Your favorite
New
band?
County. Whoa.
Woo.
New County.
Whoa.
Oh, crazy.
What's yours?
New County.
Or
Whoa.
just kidding. We love you. We love you.
We
Wait,
love
that's
you
love.
guys.
Here, that's so
We
cool.
love New County. They are awesome.
Don't fall there.
Okay.
All right. Okay, and
Okay.
now, Cody. Now.
Now
No.
Random
Random
facts.
Random facts. I have a birthmark on my leg, and I like to tell people that I was attacked by a bobcat when I was 7.
I have strange habits, like twirling my hair and chewing aggressively on straws. I just happen to be addicted to Icy Hots.
Long story.
I crave them 24/7. Everyone, hi. Get on my video.
Oh, this is kind of
my
an.
God.
It's
Watch
not-
my
no.
sunburn, guys.
Guys,
Watch it.
I need to say this.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I need you to
yeah.
get out of my shot.
Sorry.
I like to be nude.
That's
Just like Harry Styles.
Just like Harry Styles, so we're meant to be.
Okay, well that is us. This is
that's
Credge.
our interview.
Credge.
We are
Credge.
Credge.
Did we even
We
tell them
are
what Credge is?
Oh,
Oh,
Credge is
Credge is a dance group.
Credge.
us.
Credge Dance Co.
We're dance co.
Co.
And we're gonna.
Co-dance company.
All
So
right.
pretty much
well-
what we're gonna do on our videos is teach you different Credge dance moves.
Yeah, it's gonna be pretty boss.
Yeah.
So,
Boss,
Yeah,
man.
might
Gross.
throw in other stuff too, you know,
Yeah.
like yeah. So
Yeah.
we'll catch you later. I'm Jamie.
oh yeah,
You.
I'm
Emma.
you.
Yeah. I'm Cody.
I'm Rachel.
And we are Credge. See
We
y'all
are
later.
Credge.